Coming to the next one, benefits of BIM. Why we are using BIM? It combined all the discipline in the construction industry in a single platform, stored their data in an easy format so that they can be used in any stage of construction. In any stage of construction means from the analysis part to the decommissioning part. It's a big period. You can store your data in a room where everyone can access in any time. Okay, so in that you can do first a drafting without loss of cost and quality. The quality and cost is a big parameter here. So if you can reduce the cost and increase your quality, then that will be big achievement. The coordination and collaboration, you can coordinate with the interdisciplinary platform. Conflict detection and risk mitigation. Conflict detection means if any of the object is clashing with other object, you can easily identify in that software. BIM is not a software, BIM is a process. BIM software means Revit or Tekla you can use. Tekla is the most usable software right now. So in that Tekla, you can detect conflict here, and anyone can detect, not only within your discipline, other discipline also, other discipline class also you can detect in that. High level of customization and flexibility. Here in the BIM, as you know, the BIM is totally flexible. You can do whatever you want inside that. Optimizing of schedule and cost. Again, people are more focusing in that. So that's why we are using the BIM technology. Optimizing of schedule and cost. Coming to the next thing, various BIM software in the market. Now, commonly used BIM software in the market is Tekla, Katia, Revit, Civil 3D, SketchUp. We are using currently, and the BIM collaborative software also there. Nebis Works Manage. This is the most usable collaborative software right now. And then BIM site by Tekla, it is almost obsoleted. It means instead of BIM site Tekla, the Trimble is introduced, Trimble Connect right now, and then BIM collab also be there. So I can tell you in which phase, in which software we are using. So in this phase, in this design phase, you can see we can use so many things. Rhino, SketchUp for the conceptual design, then for detailed design, Revit, Tekla, Katia, MicroStation, or ArchiCAD, everything is there. And for the analysis, Ecotect is there. Then in the build, Navisworks is there. Then operate, digital project, Vico, Wavefault, everything is there. It means all the construction phase, design phase, build phase, operate phase, everywhere BIM is there through this various software to make our life easy. BIM opportunity in the market. So world building information modeling market opportunities and forecast, you can see 2015-2022 forecast that the world BIM market would gain a revenue of $11.7 billion by 2022. So you can see that figure. What is the opportunity in front of us, front of everyone, registering a CAGR of 21.6% during 2016 to 2022. The Asia Pacific region is expected to witness an upsurge in demand owing to the exponential revenue it means growing construction industries and supportive government regulated monitoring the use of BIM software. So what they are telling, now in India, BIM is not mandatory. Now what government of India going to introduce for the all important project, like any of the power plant, any of the steel plant, BIM will be must for that. So you can see here, Middle East has 2% growth, Asia 46. It means in Asia we have large number of growth in this period. Then Europe has 24% growth. As Europe has done the mandatory, it means they have done the mandatory requirement for the BIM. So in every project, we should use the BIM technology if you want to code any of the government project in Europe. Then Latin America is 4% increase, and North America is 25%. These two plus Asia, these three regions are booming in this. You can see. So you can easily understand what market is going on. And in the coming future, I can assure, I can tell you, in 5 years or 6 years of time, BIM will be mandatory everywhere. If you want to code any of the government project, you have to have the BIM team or BIM collaboration platform in your company. Then only you can code any of the government job. After that, expand our role beyond the possibilities with Tekla structure. So as you know, Tekla structure is not a name in the market right now. It's a footprint. As an engineer, we always try to build something which is remarkable. In this market, where the scenario is changing every day, if you want to keep yourself unbeatable, then you need to adapt the new technology, as well as you need to expand your role beyond the possibilities. You think what you are doing, that is your stretch limit. But for the learning, it's not like that. You can go above and beyond your possibilities, your stretch line. You can stretch yourself more to adapt the new technology. Tekla structure is a software which can help you in this. You can choose either steel or concrete or both. In the Tekla structure, you can do whatever you want inside that. Using Tekla structure, you can produce 3D model, 4D model. 4D model, you need to collaborate with some other software, but you can produce 3D model. You can produce bill of material, list of embedment data, CNC data. CNC is computer numeric data, which can be fed in a CNC machine, and it can give you the automatically builded holes, weld everything inside that. It will come as a DSTV format from the Tekla itself. And you can do a construction sequencing and extract 2D drawings also. So now I can tell you one thing, extraction of 2D drawings, it is drastically reducing day by day. People are going for the paperless construction right now. We cannot imagine without 2D drawings, how can we construct any of the building or anything, right? But it is going to happen. In a 5 or 10 years, we can see without 2D drawings, we can build all those things. We are reducing the waste of paper. So now each and every company is going for the paperless construction. You can see 3 software I have used here. This is Rhinoceros, this is Grasshopper, this is Tekla. These 3 can be run, it means in a same time. So for the complicated structure, complicated, it means profile, this is not a simple profile. You can see for the complicated profile, what we can do, we can code our profile information inside the Grasshopper. That Grasshopper give you the figure here in a Rhinoceros, and you can directly link those two into Tekla. The element, it will come exactly here with the right coordinate, right dimension. So you no need to worry about coordinate and the dimension. Each and everything will be in a 99%, 99.99% perfection with the Grasshopper, Rhinoceros, and Tekla collaboration. So that's how we can expand our role in the industries. Coming to the next one, digital twin concept in construction industries. So digital twins, this term itself, it is telling what you are doing inside in a virtual construction lab. It can be easily buildable at site also. And when you come to know what you have modeled inside a room and it has been built at site exactly what you have done, that's a great achievement, I think. You can easily understand to see this picture what you have done here. We have done a 3D model here. The same replica they have constructed at site also. There is no difference. Everything is same here. So in this, a digital twin is a virtual model of a process, product, or service. This pairing of a virtual and physical world. It is merging our two world. One is virtual, one is physical. It is merging that a plane. And in this digital twin concept, you can prevent downtime, develop new opportunity, even plan a new simulation process also. So you can reduce everything. If any problem is there, you can easily rectify here. If any problem at site you are seeing, it is not at all buildable, you can easily come and change your model here. So that's how the digital twin concept, all the companies is going to adopt right now. What is our role in the industries? So as a BIM modeler, you need to provide end-to-end support from design phase to commission phase to the project. So not only in the design phase, from the first to start, a BIM modeler has the opportunity to work on. So what all a role is currently available in the market? It can be a BIM manager. BIM manager is a project lead, primary point of contact of a various BIM coordinator within the project, creates a BIM execution plan. BIM execution plan, what is this? BIM execution plan is that where before starting the project, we need to create one agenda for that agenda and the specification for that. It means what will be the paper size, what will be the deliverable element, what will be the IFC file format, each and everything. It can be recorded in the BIM execution plan. So through this plan, actually this is the, it means line of track. It means this is the line. In that line we need to grow. That's the BIM manager role there. Then next is BIM coordinator. The BIM coordinator will the set up the modeling environment to able to deliver the output the specified by the BIM manager. So what BIM coordinator is doing, their BIM coordinator is coordinating all the BIM engineer, BIM modeler, BIM draftsman in a single platform. So he is coordinating, he is managing all those below role. Then it's BIM engineer. BIM engineer bring input the model. He or she has technical knowledge of design and analysis. What he or she is doing, they are doing the design and analysis, what can be easily buildable in the BIM. And the BIM modeler. BIM modeler is the person who actually makes the model. So this BIM modeler now in the market, high demand is for BIM modeler. So they are actually doing the model for the project. They are modeling the element and the information inside the 3D model. And the BIM draftsman also be there, who will be creating the 2D drawings, who will be extracting the 2D drawings from the 3D model itself. So those are the opportunities, and those are the it means open role which you can easily take at any point of time after learning the BIM software. So now I can give you a live project example where we have used the Tekla structure in that. So this is one of the project which is which is a nuclear power plant, Hinkley Point C name, in the UK. Location is southwest England, beside the Bristol Channel. So the owner of this project is EDF Energy. EDF is electricity the funds. EDF Energy is the owner for that. And the reactor supplier, there is a Ariba name. They are the global leader of reactor supplier. So we have a total 2 unit of 1630 megawatt, total 3360. I have a video link for a 2 minutes video link. You can see. So here, what you have seen, that is the live project example where BIM has been used for the each and everything. BIM means not only the Tekla, all the BIM collaborative software, everything has been used for this project. So without this BIM technology and digital revolution, that is impossible, I think, in the current era. Now, this is the world largest construction site as of now, where we have introduced our BIM technology.